Turned out great. I just set it in the freezer for a while, and these set up, and they're gonna pop right on out of there. And then I'm gonna rewrap them in the wrappers that they come in. Now these individual butters, you know, that you did in your tray here, well, they're gonna be like, if you wanted to have these for company, you could give each one their own little serving. It's a pretty good size. That's the mini muffin pan. Now I've got to wrap them up. Now I'm going to save these little butters I wrapped up using the wrappers they come out of, and I just cut them in half. Like wrappers, you know, the butter wrappers, and I cut them in half. It takes a half one to wrap one of these little butters up. And then I'm going to put it in a bag and put it in the freezer. We got, what, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got a dozen here. That should be enough for a holiday. Now, stick that in your freezer, write on it what it is. And when you have company, then you can give them individual butters. Hi y'all, this is how to make single serve butter with your canned butter you put up. This is my canned butter I put up on 9/3/20, and these are individually butters, and I did it in one of these trays here. These are the mini muffin tray, and then I froze them, and then I packaged them up, and then I put them back in the freezer. These are great for holidays. I hope y'all enjoy knowing how to do this. It's real easy. Okay, bye y'all. Now back in the freezer these will go for these individual little serving butter. They're great when you have company. You don't have to get a big old dish of butter out. Everybody can just get a single serving. Okay, bye. I hope you like that idea.